Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for electrical people and electronics people. So mainly the focus on research area and job opportunities. So let us go in. We're going to discuss two different company. The first one is Tata Group. So Tata Power Company is now recruiting for Tata project job. Freshers can apply for this job. And name of the company is Tata Power. And company website is given in the description. So designation will be trainee. Education qualification is do you need to have diploma in electrical, and role will be a permanent one. So freshers can apply for this job, and job location will be given the detail, sorry, description with address, and salary will be 2,80,000 per annum. So what you need to do is all selected students will be given a training in classroom and the on-job site for almost 18 months in operation and maintenance of generating the plants like thermal and hydros, transmitting receiving station, distribution, etc. So you need to have key skills for following job opportunities. You need to be very much proficient in your domain, technical skill, problem solving, and attention to detail or code. So you need to have creativity and quality oriented people. So the next company is Tata Electronics. So now they are recruiting for Hosur company, Hosur plant. Company website is given here. So designation will be an engineer. Who and all can apply is those having mechanical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation can also apply for the job. And you need to have experience of minimum 2 to 6 years. And you need to do Microsoft projects and need to have knowledge in statistical tool and knowledge in electronics manufacturing. So these are the areas where the focus. So other than that, you need to participate in a regular technical beam meeting. You need to update the program performed metrics to your juniors. You need to understand and monitor and communicate all program activities to meet the progress schedule. So these are the highlights. I will provide the link in the description. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the official website of the company and read the instruction carefully and then act accordingly. Almost 80% people are watching our videos without subscribing. Kindly subscribe our channel. It will be boosting our confidence. If you like this video, means put a like and share the video to all known people. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator.